Everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you an idea about how to protect your seat, Excel sheet. So if you see here, I do have a two Excel sheet open, sheet 1 and sheet 2. So for now I'm going to protect the sheet 1. So you just go into the sheet 1 or the name of the sheet 1 and then just click the right click. So when you click the right click, you can see there is a protect sheet. So click on the protect sheet. So after that, you need to enter the password for that. So 123 is my password. So I entered it, hit the OK. So you need to re-enter the password again. So 123, hit OK. So now this file's age, this sheet is protected. So and the next thing is, if you want to go to the sheet again, if you want unprotected, hit it 123. So now file is unprotected. I'll just give you more things about this. Let's go again back to the protect sheet, and you can give the different options. So either you can protect all the things, or you can just allow the users to whom you're going to share this worksheet. So you can just let them format the cells, or even insert the rows, or delete the columns. So and hit the OK and hit the password at the same time. So this will help you to allow the certain things to be done by the other users to whom you're gonna share your file. Hope this video is useful for you guys. Thank you. See you next video.